Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So you guys, hey guys, if you're wondering what this mixture is, then I will leave that video down below, but this is what you're going to see me demonstrating. So I already made the video for you guys, so if you're wondering what this slimy goodness is, then I will leave the video down below. But just to let you guys know, this is my DIY flaxseed. It helps with detangling and also shedding. So if you guys are wanting to know exactly what all of this goodness entails, I kid you not guys, my hair is flourishing. Please click the link down in the description box. But now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to actually use this solution. So first off, if you haven't watched my other video where I used my tea rinse with flaxseed, then check out that video first, because that's what I actually have sitting on my hair right now. So I probably let that solution sit on my hair for about 30 minutes just to get my hair really soft, so I didn't have to go into the shower on dry hair. So here I'm just taking that shower cap off and my hat off, so that I can start the process of putting my flaxseed detangler in my hair. And like I said, you guys, this also helps my hair stop shedding. I also decided to use this as my co-wash today because I did not want to use shampoo on my hair. So I am actually just going to massage this into my hair. Make sure that I massage it down my hair shaft. And I'm going to work that in. I actually got a flaxseed stuck in the little applicator bottle. So you guys, literally, I just massage this flaxseed gel into my hair. Like I said before, down my hair strands. And then after I feel like my hair is fully saturated and I feel like I got my scalp clean enough, then I will run my hair under water, and that also helps my hair get detangled really, really easy, really fast. And I detangle my hair under running water. So that's why I also pre-pooed my hair with the tea rinse. Like I said, I got that video down below, but I pre-pooed with the tea rinse so that my hair didn't take that long to get saturated. If you guys don't know, I do have low porosity hair. So here I'm just rinsing my hair out, getting it even more wet. I'm not trying to rinse out the flaxseed gel just yet because I'm wanting that slippery solution to help me detangle my hair when I start combing through my hair. I know I said in other videos that I was not going to use a comb, but because of the difference, I don't have different textures, but the density of my hair is a lot thicker on my scalp. I noticed that my hair density on my scalp was getting matted, and the hair on the ends of my head was not getting matted with me finger detangling my hair. So I started back actually using a comb to detangle my hair. But you guys, I don't feel like I've experienced any breakage, and as you are going to see at the end of this video how much hair is left in my comb. And y'all, I had to do a little dance for y'all, because what I give y'all on these videos, on my channel in these videos, is like the real deal. It's like, it's literally the tea, literally, because I'm putting tea in my hair. Y'all, I am giving y'all great value on this channel, and I will not lie to y'all. So, if you're subscribed here and you already know what the deal is, like, if y'all try my methods, I promise you, you will have hair on your head. If you're trying other people's methods and you're not seeing growth or whatever, then you probably need to see if your hair is not liking what other YouTubers are doing. But if you come over here, my friend, I promise you, you're going to have hair down your back, and your shedding and everything is going to stop. You're going to actually start seeing results, because why I kiss? What does kiss mean? Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, hunty. Calling somebody stupid is like real strong, but I keep it simple over here. That's all I'm saying. So that's why I have hair on my head, and I have multiple setbacks, but I still have hair on my head at the end of the day. Look at that. Not clickbait. Do a little dance. Do a little dance for them, y'all. That's all I wanted to show y'all. This solution really works, and if you guys have not tried it, give it a try, and please leave comments down below, y'all. I literally had to make this video just to toot my own horn, and I tooted it up. Okay, it tooted it up. Y'all have a good one. Bye.